Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to convert image to editable text. So, let's get started. First things first. Open your favorite browser. Then click on the search bar. Then search for convert image to text. Then click on the first official link. Then click on Browse. Then import your image. Then click on Convert. Then check this option. Then click on Download button. Then open this file. As you can see that it is converted. And that's how you convert image to editable text. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.